Welcome back once again. Now let's continue with the question here. A neighborhood consists of 2-hectare park and 35 hectare of residential area. The total number of trees in the neighborhood is 3934. The equation 2x plus 35y is equal to 3934 represent the situation. Which of the following is the best interpretation of x in this context? They are asking us what this x is representing. As they clearly told, the total number of trees are 3934. So x will be representing average number of trees at the 2-hectare park, and y will be representing average number of trees at the 35-hectare residential area. So x is representing number of trees or average number of trees at the park. As I can say here, option A says the average number of trees per hectare in the park. Yes, makes sense. So this is the right answer we go with. So now let's continue with another question here. It says J walks at a speed of 3 miles per hour and runs at a speed of 5 miles per hour. He walks for W hours and runs for R hours for a combined total of 14 miles. Which equation represents this situation? It's a simple question. They are asking us to set up an equation. So as the person is walking like 3 miles per hour and he is walking for W number of hours, so total distance covered by walking is gonna be 3 times W, plus he is running with a speed of 5 miles per hour and he is running for R number of hours. The total distance covered by running it's gonna be 5 times R. As they say, combined distance is equal to 14 miles, that is equals to 14. Again, makes sense with option A. A is the right choice here. Okay, now let's take to this question. They have said that this question is difficulty level is hard. I don't know why did they say like this. See, whenever there is a question about find the x-intercept or y-intercept, you have to put the another variable as 0. For example, here question says what is the y-coordinate of y-intercept of the graph of this? One way you can plot it on the Desmos where the value will, where the line is crossing the y-axis, that will be the y-coordinate of y-intercept, or while finding out the y-intercept you have to put a value of x to be 0. I have explained it multiple times in my previous videos, you can check it out. So when you substitute x as 0, so this term turns to be 0, okay. 3 times 0 by 7 equal to negative 5y by 9 plus 21. So this terms to be 0 entirely because any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So this will be rearranged as, when you take this negative term to the other side, it's going to be 5y by 9 equals to 21. Now to solve for y, just to cross multiplication, so that 5y equals to 21 multiplied by 9, which gives us 189. So 5y equals to 189. To get a value of y alone, so divide by 5 on either side. So that gives us y equals to 189 by 5. So that is the answer. And you can also see here 189 by 5, or its equivalent in decimal 37.8 is the answer. And that's how they have explained it. This question involving the percentage along with the creating equations. As they say that how many liters of 25 liter saline solution must be added to 3 liter of 10% saline solution to obtain 15% of saline solution. So we have two type of solutions here. One is having certain amount of like 25% of its saline solution. Another one is out of 3 liter 10% is saline solution. When these both the solution is mixed together, we should get a new solution to be 15% as saline solution. So as we don't know how many liters, so we have to find it. So you can take it as like 25% of X saline solution added with 10% of 3 saline solution should give me 15% of the total, isn't it? 15% of the total saline solution. So we can set up an equation. 25% of X saline solution combined with 10% of 3 liters of saline solutions, 10% of 3 liters should be equal to 15% of their combined value. So I am saying so so it's a combination of like something like, you have one solution with x liter, another solution with 3 liter, and when you are mixing them together, and this is like 25% of saline, and this is saying that 10% of saline solution. When the both we are mixing up together, now what is the quantity? This quantity here will be x plus 3 in total. So to maintain this one to be 15% saline solution, what amount of or how many liters of x solution should be added? That's a question. Okay, so it's simply setting up an equation and put it in the Desmos. So type it in the Desmos the way how we have written. Say 25% of x. So don't type 25 multiply x. Desmos always says 25% of x. So one way you can type this percentage directly on your computer's keyboard, that is percentage symbol. Otherwise you can use a virtual keyboard. Here it has, click on this part ABC, which is written in the capital 1, and then press the up arrow to access the percentage. Either way is fine. So 25% of x plus 3 10% of 3 liter saline solution should be equal to how much? 15% of x plus 3. I'm just setting up an equation. So whatever the value you get, that will be the answer. That is 1.5 liter. To maintain that combinedly to be 15%, we should add 1.5 liter of solution, which is 25% of saline in it. So makes sense that the value of x here should be 1.5 liter, and that's we can see as well. So the correct answer to this question is gonna be 1.5 liters. That's it for today. If you like this video as useful, then please do share and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon as well. That's it for today. If you like this video, That's it for today. If you feel this video is useful, then please do like, share and subscribe, and also click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new videos, you will be notified. That's it for today. If you like this video, then please do share and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new videos, you will be notified. That's it for today. See you in the next class. Thank you so much.